Today, we are going to discuss various aspects of entrepreneurship, including characteristics, the balance of art and science, qualities of a successful entrepreneur, types of entrepreneurs, roles and functions, motivations, startups, barriers, attitudes, and competencies. Our participants are Jay, Ria, Rahul, Sachi, and Piyush. Let's start with Jay. Jay, can you explain the characteristics of entrepreneurship?
Sure, entrepreneurship is characterized by innovation, risk taking, proactiveness, vision, resilience, resourcefulness, customer focus, leadership, networking, and adaptability. These traits help entrepreneurs identify opportunities, navigate challenges, and achieve business success.
Great explanation, Jai. Ria, can you elaborate on the concept of entrepreneurship as both an art and a science?
Of course, entrepreneurship as an art involves creativity, intuition, personal expression, and storytelling. It's about thinking outside the box and relying on gut feelings to make innovative decisions. As a science, it involves market research, developing and testing business models, financial analysis, strategic planning, and optimizing operations. Combining both aspects helps entrepreneurs make informed decisions while being innovative and adaptable.
Thank you, Ria. Rahul, could you tell us about the qualities of a successful entrepreneur?
Definitely. Successful entrepreneurs possess qualities like strong leadership, perseverance, creativity, passion, self-confidence, adaptability, good communication skills, and the ability to network effectively. These qualities enable them to inspire their teams, overcome obstacles, and continuously seek growth opportunities.
Excellent points, Rahul. Sachi, can you describe the different types of entrepreneurs?
Yes, there are several types of entrepreneurs: service entrepreneurs, business entrepreneurs, industrial entrepreneurs, agricultural entrepreneurs, technical entrepreneurs, non-technical entrepreneurs, professional entrepreneurs, IT entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, social entrepreneurs, family business entrepreneurs, and first generation entrepreneurs. Each type operates in different sectors and has unique approaches and challenges.
Very insightful, Sachi. Piyush, what are the roles and functions of an entrepreneur?
Entrepreneurs play multiple roles and perform various functions such as innovator, risk taker, decision maker, resource manager, leader, market analyst, network builder, and change agent. They are responsible for driving growth, making strategic decisions, managing resources, and inspiring their teams.
Wonderful contributions, everyone. Jai, what motivates an entrepreneur?
Entrepreneurs are motivated by factors such as the desire for independence, personal fulfillment, financial rewards, passion, opportunity recognition, innovation, social impact, family tradition, and the desire for continuous learning and growth.
Thank you, Jai. Ria, can you explain what startups are?
Startups are newly established businesses focused on innovation and scalability. They operate in high-risk environments, often require external funding, and aim for rapid growth. Startups are typically agile, lean, and customer-focused, with a distinctive culture that emphasizes creativity and collaboration.
Great explanation, Ria. Rahul, what are some barriers to entrepreneurship?
Barriers to entrepreneurship include financial barriers, regulatory and legal hurdles, market competition, social and cultural attitudes, lack of education and training, poor infrastructure, psychological barriers, limited networking opportunities, economic instability, and intellectual property challenges.
Excellent points, Rahul. Sachi, what is the importance of having an entrepreneurial attitude?
An entrepreneurial attitude is important because it encompasses traits like proactiveness, risk-taking, resilience, passion, optimism, self-confidence, responsibility, and goal orientation. These traits help entrepreneurs navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and drive their ventures towards success.
Very insightful, Sachi. Piyush, can you discuss some key entrepreneurial competencies?
Key entrepreneurial competencies include decisiveness, initiative, interpersonal skills, perseverance, and organizational skills. Decisiveness involves making quick and profitable decisions. Initiative is about taking charge and acting proactively. Interpersonal skills are essential for building and maintaining relationships. Perseverance helps entrepreneurs stay committed despite difficulties. Organizational skills involve effective time management, goal setting, and efficiency.
Excellent contributions, everyone. To summarize, we have discussed various aspects of entrepreneurship, including its characteristics, the balance of art and science, qualities of successful entrepreneurs, types, roles, motivations, startups, barriers, attitudes, and competencies. These are crucial concepts for understanding the entrepreneurial journey. Thank you all for your valuable insights. This concludes our group discussion.